have you had your item?
Probably, I would say 6 years.
And what is it about your item that you really enjoy?
I like this KitchenAid coffee pot because you can set the strength of the coffee, either a little bit lighter, a little bit darker, and it's a KitchenAid, so I know it's a good coffee maker brand. Yeah, my daughter bought it for us, thinking of us, and I just don't want to throw it away. And if I threw it away, I'd probably just buy a cheap Mr. Coffee, and I like this coffee pot.
But this isn't on the list, but what do you think is wrong with it?
Well, it brews, like, I turn it on, it brews partway through, and then it all of a sudden stops. So, I don't know. I've changed the filter, I've restarted it, and it still does that.
So KitchenAid is a good brand, huh?
Yeah. Well, it's more money, I think, than the regular old cheap coffee pot.
Yeah, it looks pretty solid, substantial.
Yeah. Hold on to this. Yeah. And I just have to go tell my boss.
Hi, Mark.
I'm gonna come back in about a half hour.
Take a table.
Oh, yeah.
Big
No
table.
problem.
That's all right.
My alarm went off it.
So what's your thought process right now, John?
I'm just totally baffled. It should be, these things are pretty bulletproof. There's got to be something really simple. I'm thinking it has something to do with the water level and the reservoir, but I'm just guessing.
And what kind of test are you running right now?
Well, to see if it gets hot, which it's doing, and see how much water runs through. We filled it about 2 cups full, so it should be up to about 4 cups per day. See if it shuts off sooner. That's what you were saying, right? Shuts off prematurely.
Heard a whole lot of something
It's
happening.
working, it's working, yay!
So John, what was the issue?
Well, we think that part of water deposit inside,
What if they weren't on there?
and there's a
They were
safety
just
switch
on
in here
there.
when it gets
Does
too
that
hot.
work?
It shuts off. And what the thing is doing is it's heating up for a while,
Bummer.
and then that thermocouple,
Could we eliminate
that
them
little switch I was
altogether?
telling you about, shuts the water
Not
off
really,
because it
because
gets
then
too
there's no
hot.
base for the.
Cools down a little bit, and then when it cools down, it closes that switch again and turns on again. But it should just go straight down.
Well, let's just
It should
eliminate
be
those.
And how did you remove the
Threads and stuff,
whatever
lamp stuff.
crap that built up?
Everything else in the
Oh.
world. Well, I didn't, but what I tried to work on what's going to take is running vinegar, which is a standard treatment for water, anything that takes water.
So is it deposits in the water that build up?
Can't go
Yeah,
next
it
to
deposits to the sides of the element, and it won't let it dissipate the heat.
Because that would be fine for me. How's it I would actually prefer that, if that works, but I don't know.
So you are a lucky girl.
I am a lucky girl, very happy, thank you.
Yeah.